How to fix limited access or no internet access on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So it's more are the most common issues facing by Windows 11 or 10 users. So in order to fix this issue, you can simply press Windows and R on your keyboard, and then this round windows will appear where on this box you can simply type in ncpa.cpm, and you can press enter or click on OK. In most cases, this will work, but if it is not working for you, then you can try and move to next step. So the next step is make sure that you know which internet you have been using. For that, you can simply click on the search icon and search for view network connections. Once it opens, here we can see I'm using Wi-Fi on my device. You might be using Internet as well. So since I'm using Wi-Fi, simply you need to right click on it and then click on disable button. Then again you need to right click on it and then click on enable. You have to wait for a while until it has been enabled and connected. Once it has been done, your issue of limited access or no internet access on Windows 11 or 10 will be fixed. So following this way, you can easily choose any method that is applicable for you and work for you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Till then, see you in the next video.